guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and I hope you guys are liking my Singapore series. To watch out on all the videos in the playlist, click here. So in today's episode, I'm gonna share top places you should visit when you're in Singapore. Let's begin. Number 1 is Universal Studios. This place is exceptional. Everybody's gonna love it, be it kids or adults. You will enjoy it to the fullest. You'll get to see Hollywood sets, New York, Madagascar, Egypt, Jurassic Park, Transformers, what not. Not just the sets, they have live shows, amazing rides, food and cute stuff to buy. It totally is a fun entertainment package. So if you want to know more info about it, I made a complete video on Universal Studios. Click right here. Number 2 is Sea Aquarium. So Sea Aquarium is again in the same location or maybe called building as Universal Studio. So all these Universal Studios, Sea Aquarium and few other stuff, they are in an island called Sentosa. So you go there and you find a lot of tourist places. So if you go to Universal Studios, you should definitely check out Sea Aquarium. So this is such a beautiful place to visit, especially take kids along because they're gonna love it. Number 3 is Marina Bay Sands Sky Towers. So this place is extraordinary. Basically you get to 56th level. So there is an infinity pool. So you get to 56th floor and you can actually look at the whole Singapore at one go. How beautiful. Number 4 is the Shoppy. Now the Sky Towers and the Shoppy are quite opposite to each other. So when you go to the Sky Towers, you should definitely go to Shoppy as well. So this is a luxury shopping center. So if you are a person who is into luxury goods, you should definitely check this place out. This place has every luxury brand you can think of. Number 5 is Gardens by the Bay. Now this one is also nearby the Marina Bay Sands, Sky Towers and the Shoppy. You gotta walk a little bit and you get there. So this place has similar tree structures all over the garden, but there's this particular area which is called Super Tree Grove where you get this amazing light and music show. I'm not gonna say it, just watch it. Number 6 is Lim Square. Now this is again a shopping center, so I am including in this because if you are a person who is into electronics, you should definitely check this place out. This is kind of a big mall or big building which is having a lot of electronic stuff. So you have cameras, you have a lot of electronic goods which you don't really get in India, so like very innovative stuff. Also there is Boogie's Shopping Street and Mustafa Center that you should definitely go check out. These are like some amazing shopping centers. To know more about these shopping centers, you should definitely watch this video here. So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys like it. If you did, you know the drill, like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, lots of love. Bye.